Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Jvzoo WarriorPlus affiliate website with WordPress, and we're going to need to log into our hosting account, and I'm going to go over to my via the previous video. Namecheap is going to send you the login details for your account, and that is what you are going to put in over here, and you can click on login. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see your cPanel, and because I'm adding a new domain to my current hosting, I'll need to go over to add-on domains, and I'm going to add TinyBlunt to my hosting before I can install WordPress. If you bought hosting from the last video, you don't need to do this. You just need to proceed with the next thing I'm going to do after setting up the add-on domains. So our website name is TinyBlunt, and you'll click on add domain. Great, the add-on domain tinyblunt.com has been created. So I'll have to go back, and I can go back to the cPanel. The next thing I need to do is I have to go over to Softaculous apps installer, and I'm going to select WordPress. And then when you get over here, currently we have WordPress 5.11, but I prefer to use the last version of 1.1. Is still not all plugins are a custom install, and I'm going to click on this. Then you'll be able to select the version of WordPress you want on your website. You can select the protocol, and you need to select the website, which is TinyBlunt. Okay, which directly do you want to install WordPress into? I will have to leave it blank. You can keep all this like that. Then your admin username. Okay, then my password. I'm going to use this password, and I'm going to put in admin email. This email, I'm going to create it later. Okay, then you can have, if you want to select a theme before the installation, you can actually do that, but I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to have the installation details sent to my email address, and I'm going to click on install. Right now WordPress is being installed on my domain. As you can see, I can access the website tinyblunt.com right away. This is the blog, and then I can access the back end of TinyBlunt also if I come over here. And right now you've been able to create a website for your affiliate marketing business. Before I wrap this up, I'm going to go back to the cPanel, and I'm going to create a custom domain name for the purpose of this website. And to do that, it's not hard. I'm going to go over to email accounts, and then I'm going to click on create. Then I'm going to select the website's name, Tiny. The email is going to be support@tinyblunt.com. So I can also set the password. I can generate the password, and I can set the storage size. So it's going to be unlimited, and then what I have to do is I'm going to click on create. Okay, and I'm going to save the password. So I've been able to create support at tinyblunt.com, and right now I'm going to go back to the cPanel, and I'm going to set up forwarding for the new domain name I just created in such a way that when anyone sends me a message to support at tinyblunt.com, all the emails are going to go over to my Gmail. So it's going to be easy for me to manage the email. I have a lot of custom domain emails, so to manage all of them on cPanel is going to be hard. So that's why I need to be adding forwarders for all of them. So over here it's going to be support at tinyblunt.com. Okay, then forward the email to my main email, and I'm going to click on add forwarder. Now when anyone sends a message to support at tinyblunt.com, it's going to be copied to my Gmail account. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you all the necessary plugins that you will need for setting up your affiliate marketing website. Bye.